All right, let's go ahead and talk about the market. 105 is the Bitcoin price, $105,000. We're going to be talking about a little bit more than Bitcoin, but let's just go ahead and start here. All right, I heard that Donald Trump, he was in Dallas, right, a couple of days ago, and I just saw the replay of this. Now, Donald is pushing for 0% interest rates. All right, and he says this is going to equate to a lower inflationary pattern, which is false, right? That's not how these things work. If we go back to zero, that's a fast track to a reset. And this is why I want to bring this to Bitcoin, because I think this is what the president is doing. I think he's fast tracking us to a reset into digital currencies. And that's what the 0% interest rate is going to do. Now, he's won the whole world to go to this. I don't think the whole world is going to go to 0%. In fact, we need to be going up north of 15%. That's how you're going to throw out a lot of things. Now, if you're really pushing a reset, which we know our currency has reached the end of its life cycle. If you didn't know that, guys, go take $1 and see how far it gets you in the store. All right, you're not going to get very much with a buck. When I was growing up, we got a lot for $1, but that's besides the point. Back to Bitcoin, this thing is going to explode. Essentially, you have the stockpile, that crypto executive order. That was a big deal. That's going to be a basket, not just Bitcoin, but a whole basket of altcoins. Ethereum, Solana, ADA, all those good things, right? Top 25, legitimate situations. You're going to have some stable coins in there as well. We talked about that in the last short. ETFs, you have a filing of an ETF. Let's go ahead and get into it because this is a significant filing. And obviously, it's a SOL ETF. And you guys know how I feel about this. I don't think this chain is really ready for a prime time for this type of volume. We see how it falters. We see how it struggles with meme coin volume. I don't think it's ready for this, but maybe they have a trick up their sleeve. I'm not gonna, send negative ops. Big ups to Solana devs. I hope you figure it out, right? Because you're gonna need a lot of throughput power once these things go through. Because Donald is shilling the hell out of Solana, right? So you have this SOL ETF that's being filed. You're gonna get a Litecoin ETF that's gonna be filed. These are New York Stock Exchange filings, guys. Grayscale essentially filed this SOL ETF. Now, will it be approved? We'll see. We'll see how that goes. As far as these altcoins, you really need to be getting into these guys if you're not financial advice, but pretty much anything in the stockpile is going to blow up profusely. All right. Bitcoin, Ethereum, ADA, Solana, Tron, you name it, Polkadot, everything in the top 25 that is legitimate, that is a legitimate player, has legitimate blockchain technology, and that is going to be used to facilitate RWAs and tokenization of assets. Any type of marketplaces, 3D mapping, tools and protocols, you need to get into it because the golden age is here. Now, the transition is another thing. It's going to be a lot of pain. What do you think about the report? Have a good one.